लोग कहते हैं पायरेसी बहुत खराब चीज है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है ये जो मजबूरी है ना, हर आविष्कार की बाप होती है। ये Amazon MX प्लेयर जो काम कर रहा है आप लोगों के घर तक एंटरटेनमेंट फ्री में पहुंचाने का, आप लोगों को सबको पता है क्या ये आविष्कार इन्वेंट किसने किया है? मैंने। आरिफ को एक ही चीज समझ में आती है, धंधा कैसा करने का। और आज तुम लोग भी इधर जो जमा हुए हो ना, धंधा करने के वास्ते हुए, बिजनेस। क्योंकि हमारे इंडिया में रोटी कपड़ा और मकान के बाद जो पैसा बच जाता है ना, इंसान वो एंटरटेनमेंट में लगाता है। और वही एंटरटेनमेंट मैं उनको बेचता हूं डीवीडी और वीसीडी के जरिए, घर घर तक, मुफ्त में नहीं, धंधा। क्योंकि मुझे लगता है ना, गरीबों को हंसने के लिए ये सारे प्रोड्यूसर की जेब में पैसा डालने की जरूरत नहीं।
अबे ओ इधर इधर स्टॉप। इस फिल्म के धंधे का दलाल चाहे कोई भी हो, लेकिन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का असली बाप सिर्फ एक बाप, मैं।
बाप से याद आया, बाप का तो फर्ज होता है ना कि जब औलाद जवान हो जाए और खुद के घुटने और नजरें कमजोर हो जाए तो दुकान की चाबी और घर की जिम्मेदारी बेटे को सौंप दी जाती है। और अब जब बुजुर्ग हो ही गए हो तो क्या कहते हो, ये विरासत संभाल लूं मैं?
बच्चे लफ्जों के जाल में उलझा रहा है, मगर मुझ को तैरना सिखा रहा है।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन।
थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू।
यस, तो
हमारी ये क्या बोल रही हो? Thank you so much. Thank you. It's an absolute pleasure and delight to be here with our show First Copy.
तो देखते हैं फर्स्ट कॉपी की एक झलक।
वाह 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 वाह, क्या बात है, क्या बात है। How are you, Naur bhai? So good to see you. Hi Gulshan sir, good to see you. Peripana sir, how are you sir? All good sir?
Wonderful,
What a
fantastic.
fantastic trailer. मजा आ गया देखकर।
टीजर है ये तो,
मैं कह
सिर्फ
रहा हूँ,
टीजर ही
ये
है अभी
अच्छा
तक।
पिक्चर भी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त।
ट्रेलर बाकी है।
ट्रेलर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त। This time though, the bad man and the good man together, I'm sure it's gonna be really killer.
Well, it's going to be a mega fight.
क्या बात है।
They're going to fight it out on screen. It's going to be hot, sizzling, and worth viewing.
गुलशन सर, what a beautiful journey. You know, I think ऐसी कोई चीज रह नहीं गई जो सर ने नहीं करी। From Indian cinema to Hollywood, now OTT, सर मतलब इतनी कमाल की जर्नी के बाद एक सवाल आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, 90s की एक ऐसी चीज जो आपको लगता है कि जो आप वापस लेके आना चाहेंगे या अभी भी होती तो मजा आ जाता, तो what would have that been?
Entertainment, entertainment, entertainment.
क्या बात है सर, फैंटास्टिक, बिल्कुल सही बात है। एंड आई एम श्योर ये एंटरटेनमेंट बहुत खतरनाक होगा।
देखिए, when the lights went off in the cinema hall, with the power of visuals, storytelling, songs, acting, it took everybody on a dream, leaving their worries, class difference, and everything behind. That was in the 90s. And some of it is coming back in, like today's, whether it is OTT, whether it's film, and various other forms of entertainment. तो बहुत जल्दी हमारी फिल्म, हमारी सीरीज, सॉरी मुझे फिल्म की आदत है, हमारी सीरीज जो है उसमें आपको वो झलक दिखाई देगी।
क्या बात है, एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक मुनावर भाई. शो का नाम फर्स्ट कॉपी है चाहे, लेकिन
Yes.
तुम्हारी जो ओरिजिनलिटी है वो बहुत कमाल की है. टेल मी यार, जो अभी तक ये जर्नी है, एंड हाउ वाज इट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट एंड टू बी विद द बैटमैन?
मैं सच बोलूं तो डीवीडी और ये जो वीसीडी वगैरह जो कहानी है,
हाँ.
वो कहानी मैंने जी है कि हम लोग जब वो पायरेसी की सीडी ढूंढ के कहीं से 20-30 रुपए की लाते थे छुपा के शर्ट के अंदर इधर डाल के, तो वो सारी मेमोरीज है. और जब मैंने ये कहानी सुनी और फिर जब मुझे पता चलते गया कि इसमें स्टार कास्ट में ये है ये है ये है, तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत मुश्किल ही था. बट अब वो ऑडियंस को डिसाइड करने देंगे कि असली बैडमैन है कौन.
It is going to be absolutely fantastic, brother. All my love and wishes to both of you. And of course, please welcome the full force of First Copy on the stage. Crystal D'Souza, Saqib Ayub, Mayank Chang, Ashish Singh, and writer and director Farhan Zama, and producer Firdaus Syed, along with, of course, our very own Amog.
प्लीज.
That's it, yeah. Stay there. Yeah, this is good. Yeah. What a lovely team. What a power-packed team, I must say. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for the entire team of First Copy, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सबका. डायरेक्टर साहब बोल रहे सर? Lovely. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए फिर से फर्स्ट कॉपी के लिए. All the very best. Love you, buddy. See you around. Okay, Baji. Take care, sir. Bye bye. Okay, Gulshan, sir. Sir, please go for it. क्या खतरनाक मूछ है सर की. ऐसी मूछ को मैं बोलना चाहता हूं थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू सर. प्रणाम सर. थैंक यू. Pleasure meeting you one more time, sir. Thank you. All right, moving forward. अब बारी है हमारे अगले टाइटल की. क्या है ना,
सच्चा गुरु वो है.
एक बहुत ही कमाल का शो. आई थिंक ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन सिटिंग इन द ऑडियंस वाज वेटिंग फॉर दिस. मैं खुद आई थिंक जितनी बार भी इस शो के बारे में बात करता हूं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार कितनी कमाल की स्टोरी टेलिंग, कितने कमाल के एक्टर्स, एंड I think after a really long time, we saw something which was so real and so intriguing and so hard hitting. और सच पूछो तो कई बार कुछ शोज होते हैं जिनके ना नंबर दिखते हैं लेकिन आसपास लोग जब बात करते हैं, there is no word of mouth. This is one show जिसमें कमाल का word of mouth, कमाल के numbers, every box ticked mark. On that note, देखिए जरा, आपके पेशे खिदमत है. Oh my God! इसको कहते हैं एंट्री. वो ladies and gentlemen, Bobby Deol for you. आश्रम का अगला सीजन. Oh my God! What a lovely journey, पाजी. What a lovely journey. आइए जरा और मुझे बताइए कि ये आश्रम की जर्नी कहां से शुरू हुई, बिकॉज दिस वॉज रियली द टर्न अराउंड इन योर लाइफ. आ रहे हैं, वापस आ रहे हैं सेंटर में, अभी आ रहे हैं.
जर्नी ये सब प्रकाश जी की वजह से है, क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझ में कुछ देखा और मुझे बुलाया और कहानी सुनाई. जब कहानी सुना रहे थे तो मुझे लगा कि मुझे शायद पुलिस ऑफिसर का रोल मिलने वाला है, जो दर्शन ने किया, बहुत अच्छा किया उसने. पर जब उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि ये मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप बाबा का रोल प्ले करें, तो मैं खुद हैरान हो गया था. कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए मैं सोच रहा था अपने आप से कि क्या मैं सही सुन रहा हूँ, ये कुछ सचमुच में मुझे ये रोल ऑफर किया जा रहा है. पर मेरी हमेशा यही कोशिश रही है काफ़ी सालों से कि मैं कुछ अलग कर सकूं और चैलेंज करूं अपने आप को एज एन एक्टर. एंड प्रकाश जी जस्ट गेव इट टू मी इन माय हैंड्स. एंड I think it's the whole show by itself. Every character, the way Prakash ji has written it, the way every actor has performed in it, has made the show so big. And obviously, the storyline, the drama created by Prakash ji, it was just amazing. So it's really nice that it's been a couple of years now, and wherever I go, सब पूछते रहते हैं कि आश्रम कब आ रहा है. मतलब ऐसा है कि मैं खुद चाह रहा था कि जल्दी आ जाए, लेकिन थोड़ा टाइम लग गया. पर अब आ रहा है Amazon MX Player पर, which is even bigger and better in many ways. So I'm really glad that it's going to be on Amazon MX Player, which is free.
क्या बात है. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए बॉबी पाजी के लिए. प्लीज नाउ यू कैन टेक द सेंटर स्टेज. नाउ वी हैव द स्टेज क्लियर. एंड ऑन दैट नोट अब बुलाते हैं उस इंसान को जिन्होंने आश्रम का एक एक फ्रेम, एक एक डायलॉग इतने परफेक्शन के साथ बनाया है. प्लीज गिव इट अप फॉर द विजनरी डायरेक्टर प्रकाश झा. प्रणाम प्रकाश सर, कैसे हैं आप?
जपना.
सर इतनी कमाल की स्टोरी टेलिंग और इतना कमाल का छाप जो आपने छोड़ा है हिंदुस्तान के हर नुक्कड़ कोने पे. और जैसे बॉबी पाजी ने भी कहा कि मैं जहां भी जाता हूं लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि कब आ रहा है नेक्स्ट सीजन. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दिस जर्नी?
नहीं, आना तो था ही. सबसे पहले तो Amazon MX प्लेयर के सभी उन लोगों का धन्यवाद who have made this possible. अमोघ, करण, और भी जो अधिकारी हैं उनका धन्यवाद. और आश्रम की कहानी ने रेजोनेट किया हमारे समाज में और हमारी मानसिकता पे. और आज तक जहां भी गए, मतलब एयरपोर्ट जाएं तो शुरू से दरवाजे से लेकर के और CISF और बाकी के सारे लोग जो हैं वो आश्रम का क्या इंतजार करते रहते हैं. एंड इट वाज such a pleasure working with wonderful Bobby, all the other actors, and we can't wait to have the next season on. अभी जो धमाका 5 एपिसोड से होने वाला है, जो तीसरे भाग का दूसरा हिस्सा है, वो आप सबको अच्छा लगेगा. और once again congratulating everybody for making this possible. All the very best.
क्या बात है. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. और ये टीम जितनी जबरदस्त है शो से भी कहीं ज्यादा धमाकेदार है. And now get ready to welcome the incredible cast and crew of the show that has redefined entertainment and fandom. इन्होंने एक नई परिभाषा दी है इसको. Please welcome Sunil Agarwal, CEO Prakash Jha Productions, Aditi Pohankar, Chandan Roy Sanyal, Darshan Kumar, and Tridha Chaudhary, along with Girish, Karan, Amog, Aruna, for a picture. Good to see you. Good to see you. चुन चुन के कमाल के एक्टर्स और चुन चुन के जो ये कास्टिंग हुई है. चंदन भाई फुल स्टड मफिन लुक में. Sachin, can we please have you on the stage? Hi Sachin bhai, how are you? All good? Chandan Roy Sanyal, birthday boy, क्या हाल है? Happy birthday, Baji, I love you. Okay, can we please have a group picture? चपना आश्रम बहुत ही कमाल की टीम. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Thank you so much everyone. It's lovely to see you all together on the stage and I'm 200% sure ये सीजन भी उतना ही धमाकेदार होगा जितने के पहले दो कर चुके हैं. Thank you so much. Thank you. We are proud to have Vimal as the presenting sponsor for the second time and KEI Virus as a special partner for the latest edition of Ashram. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the biggest show of India. फिर क्यों सोचना है? Don't miss to be a part of this. मैं तो खुद अगर ब्रांड होता तो शायद मैं भी यहीं पे एडवर्टाइज कर रहा होता. अगर यार मैं एजेंसी पे होता मुझे लगता है यार ये दिस इज द शो टू कैच होल्ड ऑफ. कंग्रेचुलेशंस. थैंक यू सो मच. मेरे को जितने पैसे दिए गए थे उससे कहीं ज्यादा बोला हूं क्योंकि मेरा जेन्युइनली फेवरेट लोग हैं मेरे शो में. थैंक यू सो मच. दर्शन भाई, लव यू. त्रिदा, सी यू अराउंड. सो गुड टू सी यू आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग. थैंक यू सो मच. चंदन भाई, हैप्पी बर्थडे वन मोर टाइम. Thank you so much, everyone. क्या बात है बॉबी बाजी. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Bobby Deol one more time. See you around, Baji. Thank you so much. All right. And now I would like to call on the stage once again head of MX Player, Karan Bedi. For word है ना सबसे जरूरी है और इसीलिए up next on Stream Next we bring you an adrenaline pumping action packed high octane surprise. क्योंकि ये सरप्राइज है तो मुझे आगे कुछ बोलने के लिए नहीं कहा गया है. Let's the surprise be a surprise. Here you go. Sorry.
नहीं बस दिल ही तो जिंदगी आज फिर जीने की आज फिर जीने की
Oh my God! Oh my God! एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for Anna and Jagu Dada. Oh my God! इसे कहते हैं legendary entry. How are you, sir? How's it going? Good to see. Good to see you. All right, what a spectacle, यार. मजा आया कि नहीं आया, guys? ये कैसा मजा है यार? मजा आया कि नहीं आया?
क्या हुआ क्या?
हाय जगू, कैसे जगू दादा?
बिंदास बिंदास, मेरे से बात कर, उन लोग से क्या कर रहा था? बोलना डाली, हम लोग है ना, प्रिंस रोड के भाई लोग हैं।
पहले मुझे
We are brothers from one little city called Mumbai, South Mumbai.
क्या बात है, एक बार जोरदार तालियां फॉर
नहीं बात कोई जरूरत नहीं है भाई लोग, पिक्चर देखना बात दबा के फ्री में।
बट एक बात बताए मुझे आप, ये रिवर्स एजिंग कैसे चल रही है यार आप दोनों की? जगू दादा, ये रिवर्स एजिंग कैसे चल रही है आपकी?
रिवर्स एजिंग कैसी चल रही है आपकी?
तेरे आंख में ज्यादा प्यार है बे, बाकी लोग को पूछ, जाके घर पे पूछ वो वाइफ को।
आई थिंक रिवर्स एजिंग नहीं कहूंगा, आई थिंक एजिंग ग्रेसफुली कहूंगा, स्लोली धीरे धीरे कर दिया हमने बहुत कुछ।
एजिंग ग्रेसफुली।
Yeah, and because you know, honestly, Dada, I think wellness is far cheaper than illness, यार, तो चल जाता है उसमें।
क्या बात है, फैंटास्टिक।
But you got a lot of love in your eyes to say that. बहुत प्यार है तेरी आंख में।
क्या बात सर,
जो बोल रहे थे,
प्यार इज्जत सब
बहुत ज्यादा है। थैंक्स।
प्यार इज्जत सब आपके लिए सर।
God bless you, brother.
थैंक यू सो मच सर। सर रियल लाइफ में आप दोनों इतने क्लोज दोस्त हैं, हंटर में मैंने सुना है दुश्मनी हो रही है, ये कांटा कैसे, मतलब ये
A lot of heartaches between two friends, the vengeance, the enmity. There's a lot of heart hidden behind that.
नहीं, पर्सनली हम बहुत ही करीबी दोस्त है, तो दुनिया हमेशा कहती है कि कैसे हैं यार आप लोग इतने अच्छे दोस्त हो। ऐसे दादा, नजर का टीका जरूरी है, you know, तो इसलिए हम बोले रियल लाइफ में दुश्मनी और रियल लाइफ में दोस्ती, तो आई थिंक वो टीका है। और you know, blessed to have got an opportunity to work with my hero. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ और हमेशा कहता रहूंगा, one of the finest human beings and more than a brother or anything to me, from the bottom of my
I'm your reflection, brother.
क्या बात है यार।
I'm definitely a reflection. Everybody is reflecting someone or the other. But pleasure meeting you, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends. बोलो दबा के ले। All my affection and love to your family. No, बड़ो दिल से प्यार बहुत। सोहेल भाव, बता दे इन लोगों को कितना प्यार सबके लिए। I love everybody and you keep loving too. भानगढ़ न को लफड़ा करने का नहीं, पर्दे पे ठीक है, रियल लाइफ में नहीं।
क्या
Good luck to you guys. All
क्या
my
बात
love.
है सर, लव द एनर्जी, लव द केमिस्ट्री। ऑन दैट नोट देखते हैं आपका प्रोमो फॉर हंटर सीजन 2। लेट्स टेक अ लुक लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन।
See you, bro. हाँ बाबा।
प्लीज पापा, प्लीज मुझे यहाँ से लेकर जाओ ना।
तोड़ेगा, कमाल है यार। And on that note, I would like to invite on the stage their co-artists in the show, Anusha Dhandekar, producer Siddharth Anand, senior vice president at Saregama and directors Prince Dhiman and Alok Batra. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए पूरी टीम के लिए। And for the group picture, Can I please also have on the stage Girish, Karan, Amog and Aruna. The entire team of Hunter Season 2, ladies and gentlemen, for you. Let's take a quick picture together. The beautiful team. If you can step a little ahead for the picture, it'll be great. Yeah, that's the mark. Amazon MX Original Series Hunter Season 2, ladies and gentlemen, with a brilliant response on the Season 1. And thank you so much everyone for this beautiful entry जो आप सबने करी और उसके बाद thank you so much Anusha. I did not call you मैं अनुष्का तो नहीं बोला. All right guys. Oh. What a lovely team and what a lovely promo. Really looking forward to this show. Superb energy. On stage, on camera. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you, Anusha. Thank you, Jagu Dada. Thank you, Anna. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Lovely, sir. मजा आ गया देख के. Thank you so much, sir. चरण वंदना, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. इनका सर का औधा और सर का पौधा दोनों ही बहुत ज्यादा कीमती. Let me take the, okay. Let me just finish this and then take this off. All right. हाँ. यार आपको कुछ अजीब सा नहीं लग रहा? Like ऐसे जैसे एकदम ठंड बढ़ गई हो, अजीब सी फीलिंग आ रही हो, कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं हो रही है? आपको गाइस बैक से चेक करना, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुई है क्या? कोई ग्लिच कुछ? सॉरी, लगता है कुछ टेक्निकल इशू है, लाइट भी ऑफ हो गई है. डोंट वरी, मैं फिगर आउट करता हूं. लेट मी जस्ट ट्राई टू फिगर दिस आउट. क्या चल रहा है यार ये? ऑल ओके? रितिका क्या हुआ है?
अपार,
अरे
ये तुम तो अकेले नहीं कर पाओगे, और ये टेक्निकल इशू
ये कौन बोल रहा है?
नहीं है.
हाँ, आप कौन?
मैं कौन हूं उससे ज्यादा जरूरी ये जानना है कि यहां कौन है. ऐसी कई शक्तियां हैं, कई मिस्ट्रीज हैं जो हमारी समझ के परे है. बट आई बिलीव कि अगर जानोगे नहीं तो मानोगे कैसे. और इसीलिए इसकी एक झलक आज सबसे पहले आप सबके सामने. तैयार है?
पैरानॉर्मल रिसर्चर गौरव तिवारी,
वेरी नोटेड घोस्ट हंटर,
दिल्ली के द्वारका में रहने वाले
गौरव तिवारी
अद्भुत अकल्पनीय रहस्य की खोज करते थे.
मेरा नाम गौरव तिवारी है. अगर कोई यहाँ है
ओके, व्हाट इज दैट?
तो सामने आओ.
तुम सबके हिसाब से गौरव की डेथ कैसे हुई?
It was fantastic. You know, incredible content lineup. Action है, नाच गाना है, ड्रामा है, के ड्रामा है, something for everyone. Thank you Amog for setting the tone on what makes Amazon MX Player a true powerhouse of content. Free entertainment has really been, redefined in our country. On that note, देखो वैसे तो हमने इन आने वाले शोज की एक झलक देख ली है, but don't you all want to know more about these shows? So let's dive in and get a sneak peek of some of the biggest shows of India coming up in 2025. आज का पहला शो एक्चुअली ऐसे नहीं यार, लेट मी सेट द फ्लो राइट, आई होप आई एम एबल टू डू जस्टिस टू दिस. गली से ग्लोरी तक चलेगी स्टोरी अब, मेरा हिप हॉप बनाएगा मेरी ही स्टोरी अब. गली से सीखा मैं निकला हूं गली से, खुद से मिला दूंगा आज तू गली में. छोटा सा घर पर सोच बड़ी है, आंखों में सपने पर सोता ना कभी मैं. थोड़ा कमर घुमा, थोड़ा मूव दिखा, अरे नजर मिला थोड़ा ग्रूव दिखा. जरा संभल के आ तू बगल में आ, सिर्फ एक इलाज तू झूम के नाच. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, गेट रेडी फॉर सम हिप हॉप.
चलेगी लोड़ी अब बनाएगा खुद से मिला दूंगा आजा तू गली में. अच्छा घर पर सोचे पड़ी आंखों में सकते तो सुता नहीं कभी मैं. बात है वो हटाई की खुद से मैंने लड़ाई की, मेरे कंधों से रखा है पूरा कल्चर लीज फ्रॉक मेरे भाई की. गली में मचेगा शोर, नाम गूगल सब करेंगे गौर, जीत के लिए लगेगा जोर. से फ्लो की यो यो यो
Oh my God! Whoa, 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 whoa! Hi, Remo sir. How's it going? So good to see you. I'm like, very good. Oh, very, very good. All right. Guys, it is now time to make some noise for the legends who define hip-hop's noise. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Ultimate masters of the game. The pillars of dance, the ones who define fame. Judges के judge, style के सरताज, the heartbeat of hip-hop, Remo D'Souza, and the queen of grace, diva supreme, आंखें संगीन, every dancer's dream, Malaika Arora. You both look lovely. Remo, Malaika,
Yes.
what a start. ये तो मतलब मजा आ गया देख के Remo sir.
एब्सोल्युटली यार, मतलब सीजन 2 है. सीजन 1 में तो बहुत कमाल किया था, लेकिन सीजन 2 में आए हम लोग वापस.
क्या
वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एंड मलाइका इज विद अस एंड बहुत कुछ नया आने वाला है. तो नया तो ये दिख गया, पहला नया, एंड बहुत बहुत कमाल होने वाले हैं. बिकॉज सी हिप हॉप की बात करते हैं तो वैसे ही बहुत हम लोगों को बहुत टाइम पहले से ऐसा होता था कि यार इंडिया में हिप हॉप ठीक है, बट देन लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स जिस तरीके से हमने हिप हॉप में जो झंडे गाड़े हैं,
Yeah.
लाइक 2 वर्ल्ड चैंपियंस जीते हैं, और अब लोग यहाँ आते हैं.
वाह, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Fantastic scenes.
Yeah.
Before you say anything, can we please have on the stage the producer of the show from Frames, Ranjit Thakur. Can you please join
Yes.
us? Hi Ranjit, how are you? Lovely, love the show, yeah, love the show. So Remo sir, you know, you are one of the pioneers of hip hop dance scene in India and inspiring, you know, so many dancers in the country. Season 2 तो आ गया है और आपने
Yes.
इतनी धमाकेदार एंट्री कर दी है. प्रोड्यूसर साहब, ये मतलब ये कुछ मतलब मैं कह रहा हूँ कुछ तो आपने छोड़ा होता. मैं आगे कैसे लेकर जाऊंगा इस शो को जब आपने इतनी धमाकेदार एंट्री कर दी है.
बट मैं रंजीत के बारे में कह दूं कि हम दोनों ने एक साथ ही शुरू किया था,
Yeah.
और आज 16 साल पूरे हुए हैं. पता है आपको? पहला शो हमने जो किया था वो 16 साल पहले किया था, और आज 16 साल हमने कंप्लीट किया है फॉर डांस, जो हमारे देश में इतना आगे
क्या
गया. तो
बात, क्या बात.
ही इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द
क्या बात.
बिग रीजन.
And Malaika, you know, Hip Hop India Season 1 guys broke the Guinness Book of World Record. है ना, एक opinion जो makes hip hop stand out in India. किस वजह से आपको लगता है that hip hop really has really sealed the deal?
Firstly, good evening, everybody. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि I will be part of Hip Hop India Season 2. आपने तो धमाल कर दिया Season 1 में. आपने you know, records हमने तोड़े, वहाँ पे हमने Guinness record हमने set किया है. So obviously that was the first time on a stage that where we could set a Guinness record. This year we will make it bigger and better. बहुत सारे records हम तोड़ेंगे, बहुत सारे options हमें मिलेंगे जहाँ पे we will make it bigger and better. But let's not forget the king of hip hop is here, Remo sir, and he truly makes all that difference. He truly is the one who paves the way for hip hop in this country, and to see so many kids out there जो hip hop करना चाहते हैं, जो underground dance करना चाहते हैं, I think he is the person who they all look up to. So I'm really happy to be sharing stage with him this year. Of course, let's not forget Ranjit sir, who we've all had the opportunity to work with time and time again, who's actually handheld us and told us ऐसे करना है, वैसे करना है, अगर आपको dance show करना है तो आपको you know, literally he's been like that. He's been a father figure to all of us. Sorry I'm saying that, but that is the truth. In fact, we don't call him Ranjit sir, we call him Thakur. That's how we address him. Because he truly has been like that. So thank you so much to you and to Frames for making this journey so amazing. We're looking forward to a new journey, which is Hip Hop Season 2.
Fantastic.
So yes,
Fantastic.
I'm really happy to be seeing
Sounds lovely.
hip hop come into this country and make such a huge difference.
I
It's
know.
amazing.
And one more time, we're going to kill it. So guys, we're proud to have Realme on that note as a sponsor for the second time on Hip Hop India. Season 2 is planned for launch in March 2025. We are partnering with many of you here today and are excited by the many great opportunities to celebrate your brand in this very unique dance show. And now, Ramoso, Malaika, let's take a Realme selfie and let's capture this beautiful moment. And for this, I would like to call upon the stage Mr. Manish Rana, Director of Media, Realme India. And I would also request Girish Prabhu, Karan Bedi, Amogh Dusad, and Aruna Daranani to please join us on the stage.
How is that? Hello.
Ramoso, do you have the phone? Wow, kya baat hai.
मैं फोन लेके घूमता हूँ सर.
Looking forward to Season 2.
Let's have a Realme selfie.
Anish.
Everybody, good to see you. Season 2! Oh, fantastic!
Thank you so much.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए सबके लिए. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you
for
guys. Thank you
joining
so much.
in. And a quick picture for everyone here. Three of you. Yes, please. Yes, please. रियल में कह रहा हूं, आपने हमें मोहब्बत दिखाई है और हमने आपको. So now let's give you an exclusive sneak peek into what's happening in Hip Hop India Season 2. After the quick picture, get ready to witness the fire, the moves, and the magic. Just
Thank
give me
you.
a second. So take a look, ladies and gentlemen. ना धमाका ये जो आपने किया है सर. Let's have a picture one more time together. जी सर प्लीज कम ना. ठाकुर साहब ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है ठाकुर साहब? आपने तो फ्रेम सेट करने हैं. कमाल है. सर वर्कआउट मुझे चाहिए डिसिप्लिन आपसे. ओके सर आपका सोलो सर ऐसे कैसे होगा सर? अरे सर कमाल है सर. ऐसे कैसे होगा सर? Thank you so much Ranjit, thank you so much Malaika, and thank you so much Ramo sir. It's always lovely to see you. Thank you so much. All right ladies and gentlemen, moving forward. दुनिया लफंगे, 3 लफंगे दोस्त. तो चलिए मिलते हैं इन लफंगों से ladies and gentlemen. ये 3 दोस्त होंगे ऐसे, लेकिन अदरवाइज रियल लाइफ में मेरे भाई हैं. प्लीज पुट हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर हर्ष बेनीवाल, गगन अरोड़ा एंड अनूज सिंह ढाका. My God. A bunch of superb actors, superb human beings. हर्ष मेरा भाई है वैसे भी. देखो अनूद को आप अभी देखोगे क्या यहाँ पे माहौल बनाएगा. गगन की, जिसको मैं गग्गा बुलाता हूँ, उसकी एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ. he was our fourth AD in Stree, and seeing this journey today, it's absolutely beautiful, buddy. Love you. And love you guys. What a beautiful trailer. मैं पहले भी देख चुका था जब प्रेप कर रहा था. क्या कहना चाहते हो इसके बारे में? ये जो दोस्ती है, क्या गुल खिलाएगी?
इस शो में जैसे लिखा है कि इट्स अबाउट दुनिया, दोस्ती, सपने, एंड इसको लफंगे इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि आपने नोटिस करा होगा जब तीन दोस्त मिल जाते हैं तो पूरी दुनिया उन्हें लफंगा बोलती है, लफंगे बोलती है. तो ये शो पूरा उसके अराउंड है एंड यंग अडल्ट शो है एंड बहुत फन है. देखोगे आप, मजा आएगा. इट्स अ स्टोरी जर्नी है पूरी फ्रॉम नो वन टू समवन. तो जब आप देखोगे तो आपको पता लगेगा.
Fantastic, यार हर्ष. और मोहब्बत और बढ़ाने के लिए I would like to invite the cast and creators, Barkha Singh, Saloni Gaur, and the producer and director Prem Mistry, and producer and writer Abhishek Yadav, along with Amog. Can we please have all of you? लफंगों वाली हरकतें तो थी शुरू से. Now literally named the show Lafange. Thank you so much everyone. What a beautiful team. Thank you. And thank you so much Amog one more time. एक बार और परेशान करूंगा आपको. हर्ष भाई, God bless you buddy. God bless you buddy. God bless you. Superb. आजो बरखा, आजो. आपके लिए लाउड है. Bye, Varkha. Lovely meeting you. Take care. Gentlemen, please help me in welcoming the wonderful cast of Who is Your Gynac, Sabah Azad, Aaron Arjun Kaul, and Karishma Singh. I love it. जो cheerleader साथ लेके आए हो आप यार. Good to see you, man. Hi, Sabah. How's it going? Good to see you. Hi, Apar. Good to see you. All right. So, Sabah, I really want to congratulate you for the success of the season 1. What a unique story. I love it. Having myself gone through this journey a year ago when I welcomed my kid, I truly understand the importance of a gynac in our lives, as parents. What was the most challenging part for this role, I want to know?
I think with this show, we were hoping to touch upon, it's a pretty important topic of female sexual health, which I think doesn't get spoken about enough. And I'm just delighted that Amazon MX Player chose to, put this show on their platform and a female-first story on their platform. I think it's just that trying to get that point across with lightness and not so serious, but it's a very sensitive topic. So to do that with a bit of lightness, that was challenging, I think.
I'm sure. On that note, I would one more time want to call Amog on the stage. Let's take a quick picture with the entire team, and all the best for the second season. What a lovely run you had in the first one. अगर 2 कदम आगे आ जाएंगे तो और अच्छी जिंदगी अच्छी लगेगी. और guys, that's Who is Your Gynac season 2 for you all. Thank you so much entire team. Thank you so much Amog. दोबारा परेशान करता रहूंगा. Thank you so much. Thank you. And moving forward, देखो पवेलियन छोर से आते हुए गेंदबाज शो की कहानी स्क्रिप्ट के पन्ने से सीधा कैमरा के सामने आ चुकी है. शूट की दुनिया में एंटर करते ही सेट पर एनर्जी लेवल्स हाई हो चुके हैं. एक्टर्स अपनी लाइंस डिलीवर कर रहे हैं, डायरेक्टर अपनी जादुई छड़ी घुमा रहे हैं और क्रू का हार्ड वर्क शुरू हो चुका है. और अब बस कुछ ही वक्त की बात है क्योंकि शूट के बाद ये जर्नी एडिट की तरफ बढ़ेगी, जहां सीन्स को पॉलिश किया जाएगा, डायलॉग्स को और पंच दिया जाएगा और कहानी जाएगी सीधा स्ट्रीमिंग ऐप के स्क्रीन पर. और ये लगा सिक्सर और Amazon MX प्लेयर फिर चैंपियन. यस यार, देखो यकीन अगर नहीं होता खुद देख लीजिए. सिक्सर ऑन योर स्क्रीन्स नाउ.
5 days. This due burst.
Sixer it is. लंबा छक्का मारा है, 105 मीटर का लगता है. On that note, let's welcome on stage Shivankit Parihar, Badri Chawan, and Karishma Singh from Sixer season 2. Lovely bunch of actors, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, I love it. Yes, my brother. Hello again, Karishma. कैसे हो? Badri, my love. कैसा है? Last time मैं इसको मिला, इसकी ब्रेकअप चल रही थी. तेरे को तेरी लाइफ की स्त्री मिली कि नहीं मिली?
अब तो उसके लिए देखना पड़ेगा आपको अब
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली।
और भाई मुझे कुछ सवाल पूछना था।
पूछो ना।
क्रिकेटर्स का फेवरेट एनिमल कौन सा होता है?
ओह अच्छा, ये पीजेज वाली गेम दोबारा खेलना चाहते हो तुम? मुझे पता है तुम बैट की बात कर रहे हो यार। देखो ये पीजेज वाली गेम है ना, ये मेरी पुराने वाली आदत है। तुम चाहे महेश बैट से पूछ लो, आलिया बैट से पूछ लो, इट्स बैट ऑब्वियस कि मुझे आंसर आता था, है कि नहीं? वैसे
मेरा वैसे कैंगरू है भाई द वे।
क्या है?
शो के लिए एक कैंगरू है मेरा।
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Yes,
कैंगरू?
yes.
अरे वाह, कुछ उसमें छुपा हुआ है क्या? कुछ बात है क्या?
ऑजी
उसके पॉकेट में कुछ छुपा हुआ है क्या?
उसके लिए देखना पड़ेगा आपको।
I'll of course watch it यार। सच में एक मैं यही बोल रहा था कि लंबा छक्का मारा है लास्ट टाइम 105 मीटर का, इस बार और लंबा मार दोगे यार, मतलब मजा आएगा उसमें। बट यार शिवांकित, हाउ एक्साइटेड आर यू? सेकंड सीजन, आई मीन फर्स्ट सीजन में you were on a roll.
Yes, obviously really excited and इस साल इस सीजन ज्यादा छक्के पड़ने हैं, ज्यादा लंबे छक्के पड़ने हैं। एंड आप क्रिकेट खेलो, आपको पता है कि क्रिकेट शेप्स आवर रिलेशनशिप्स थ्रू आउट इन आवर लाइफ। क्रिकेट में दोस्तों के रिलेशन, परिवार में जो रिलेशन है, तो क्रिकेट हमारा रिलेशन शेप करता है। सो ये कहानी उसी दोस्ती की है, उसी रिश्तों की है। सो दैट्स द वन लाइन। एंड ऑब्वियसली लंबे छक्के पड़ने इस बार डिस्ट्रॉयर से।
All the best guys. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए पूरी टीम के लिए। And Amog, can I please have you one more time? Please join the team and let's have a quick picture. Thank you so much and congratulations entire team of Sixer season 2. All the best, all the best. Thank you so much brother. See you around. Bye bye. Padri Saab, I love you. Shankar bhai, kya baat hai. Bye Karishma, take care. Bye. See you around. All right, now that we have seen a treasure trove of content coming your way, let's take a look at how advertisers can build strong and memorable brands on the back of such awesome shows. And for this, I would like to invite Aruna Daryanani, Head of Product Tech and Marketing, Amazon MX Player, who has spearheaded the journey of Amazon MX Player into becoming a formidable force to be reckoned within the entertainment landscape of India. Aruna, over to you.
Good evening, everyone. Engaging relevant audiences for the right products and services and making ads personalized as well as native to a consumer's viewing experience is crucial for the success of any marketing or advertising campaign. Here is where Amazon's tech has a distinct advantage. Amazon is India's largest online store, and with our advertising tech and machine learning, we are able to generate trillions of shopping signals which our advertisers
Show's first season was one of the most watched shows of 2024. देखो, मक्खन नहीं मार रहा हूं मैं क्योंकि मुझे पर्सनली पैसा का फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, लेकिन क्या करें, ठाए ठाए करने तो यहाँ के लोगों का काम है ना। और हाँ, अगर आपको मेरी भाषा थोड़ी अलग लग रही है तो इसका रीजन सिंपल है। आई जस्ट केम बैक फ्रॉम जमुना पार। देखो, एक बार फिर आपको बोल रहा हूं, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट व्यूड शो, मेरा फेवरेट शो। I just came back from Jamna Par, इसलिए मैं ऐसे मतलब after watching Jamna Par, इसलिए मेरे लिंगो ऐसा हो गया था. So ladies and gentlemen, it's time to get excited because we are elated to announce Jamna Par is back with season 2. देखिए जरा क्या गुल खिलाने वाले हैं वो.
कोशिश का शहर में लिए.
Ritwik, my love. क्या हाल है? Hi, how are you? Partner. Sir. कैसे? बहुत बढ़िया. आप कैसे हो? क्या बात है? यार देखो, of course my bestest wishes to the entire list of shows जिनकी आज हम बात कर रहे हैं. This one is really special for me, apart from the fact I love the show. लेकिन जो दो लोग इस समय स्टेज पे हैं मेरे साथ, ऋत्विक मेरा भाई जैसा नहीं है, भाई है. भाई वरुण भाई, आपको शायद नहीं पता होगा, इसका बर्थडे भी आयुष भाई की तरह 14 सितंबर को होता है. हाँ, और वरुण भाई के तो खैर मैं चरण स्पर्श करता हूँ, आयुष भाई भी चरण स्पर्श करते हैं. जब आयुष भाई बॉम्बे पहली बार आए थे तब वरुण भाई के घर पे रहे थे फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 months, मे बी मोर. उसका रेंट दे रहे हैं कि नहीं दे रहे, बताओ मुझे. मैं दिलवाऊं वापस.
नहीं, मैंने मेमोरियल बना दिया इस घर का.
लव इट. बट ये जो कमाल का आपने कांड पहली बार में किया, सेकंड बार क्या और ज्यादा क्या कमाल का होने वाला है वरुण भाई?
एक परिवार की कहानी है जिसमें कि एक लड़का जो है वो विलक्षण प्रतिभा का मालिक है. अब नाउ ही हैज बिकम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. तो जैसे जिंदगी में जो है सीखना कभी भी बंद नहीं होता. सो आई गेस कुछ एक सीख पहले सीजन में मिली थी. सेकंड सीजन में हम लोग उसके आगे कहीं पे जाएंगे. देयर इज सो मच टू लर्न. और मतलब एक तो होता है कि अपनी जिंदगी जीना, ईमानदारी से जिंदगी जीना, वो भी एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट होते हुए, जबकि पैसे का अंबार आपके आगे लगा हो, तो छोटी उम्र में उसको किस तरीके से डॉज करना है और ईमानदार बने रहना है. एज आई सेड, देयर इज सो मच टू लर्न. एंड जब तक सीखने के लिए बहुत कुछ है, तब तक तो हम लोग एपिसोड बनाते रहेंगे.
क्या बात है. सो यार ऋत्विक, तुम्हारे हिसाब से यूएसपी क्या है जमुना पार की?
आई थिंक जमुना पार की यूएसपी है कि इट्स अ स्टोरी स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम द हार्ट, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई इट्स रीच्ड सो मेनी हार्ट्स around India, and it's a story about a sense of belonging to one's own roots. Although story Jamna Par में based है, but I think ये जो feeling है कि जहाँ से आप हो, उससे कभी झिझक मत करो. And it is universal. I think I felt that way. I live in Kandivali in Bombay, and मेरा South Bombay में college था, तो I felt that way.
तो रहने वाले ही जमुना पार का हूँ.
So it's that, and we're coming up with the second season, and I think there'll be double the drama, double the fun, double the humor, and we're really looking forward to it.
फैंटास्टिक. कोई ऐसा स्लैंग, कोई ऐसा कलोकियल वर्ड जो तुम रियल लाइफ में यूज करना चाहोगे जमुना पार से, वो कौन सा होगा?
भैया, I think मैंने ये बहुत सुना है, हवाबाजी. बहुत हवाबाजी हो रही है. बहुत हवाबाजी कर रहा है क्या भाई?
हवाबाजी हो रही है. बहुत बढ़िया. सो यार, सीजन 1 ने जिस तरह बहुत कमाल का माहौल बनाया था, 100% श्योर कि सीजन 2 भी वही करने वाला है. एंड ऑन दैट नोट, आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट प्रोड्यूसर्स सुधीर शर्मा एंड सीमा सानी शर्मा, एंड राइटर्स गौरव अरोड़ा, जसमीत भाटिया, एंड डायरेक्टर प्रशांत भाग्य. एंड Amol, can you please have you on the stage for a group picture? What a lovely team. Oh my God. Lovely bunch of creative people. Love it. Thank you so much, everyone, and please give a huge round of applause for Jamna Par Season 2, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, just बढ़िया साहब, क्या बात है, किमें हो, ठीक हो तुसी? Ritwik, I love you, buddy. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Varun Bhai. Please give it up for everyone, especially for Varun Badola, one of the finest actors in the country. On that note, Stream Next पर अब बारी एक और धमाकेदार कहानी. 3 दोस्तों की जो सपने बड़े देखते हैं. करियर का प्रेशर है, प्यार का कंफ्यूजन है, और परिवार की एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी. और इन सबको एक नाम दिया गया है. I love the name, लफंगे. Take a look.
ना इज्जत है, ना नौकरी है.
All right, guys, ये जो बात मैं करने जा रहा हूं, एक ऐसा शो है जिन्हें व्यूअरशिप्स के सारे रिकॉर्ड्स ब्रेक कर दिए. 5 करोड़, 10 करोड़, नहीं, 22 करोड़ से ज्यादा व्यूअर्स ने देखा है. और जिस शो ने ये कमाल किया है, वो है none other than आश्रम. एक ऐसा शो, द रिस्पॉन्स सेज इट ऑल. एक ऐसा शो जिसका इंतजार ना सिर्फ मैं या ना सिर्फ आप, बल्कि सारे भारत की जनता बेसब्री से कर रही है. बाबा निराला के दर्शन के लिए लोग सिर्फ व्यूज नहीं, इमोशंस में भी बह जाते हैं. और क्यों ना करें भाई, ये शो एक फिनोमिनन है. व्यूज का टाइफून, एक्साइटमेंट का सुनामी, और ड्रामा का पूरा धमाकेदार पैकेज. ओवर टू यू. Oh my God, this was absolutely fantastic. Oof. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome my brother Karan Thakur, who is playing the role of India's first paranormal investigator, Gaurav Tiwari, and the leading lady, Kalki Kekla. Hi Kalki. How are you, Baba?
Hey.
How's it going? Good to see you. Very good. Brother? क्या बात है, मुबारक हो. Yes. All right. So यार करण,
हाँ जी.
This was absolutely fantastic. और
Thank you so much. Thank you.
तो गौरव की असली में जो जर्नी है, सच में बहुत रिमार्केबल रही है. Haunted locations, spine chilling investigations, paranormal secrets, uncover करना. It's a very different journey anyone will have in real life. But I mean, what was the prep like?
First of all, thank you very much for everyone who's present here today. I truly hope that you guys liked the teaser that you saw. I wouldn't mind hearing it. Did you guys enjoy the teaser that you saw right now? थोड़ी भाई थोड़ा तो थ्रिल फील हुआ होगा, पर हॉरर नहीं है. Before you guys go in that direction. So, I mean, coming back to your question, and thank you so much, guys. What's a prep for a character? यार अपार इसका ना कोई saucy answer नहीं है, बड़ा simple answer है. And I truly believe that as an actor, that किसी भी character के लिए the only prep that you can do as an actor is try your best to get into the headspace of the guy. And especially because ये narrative एक real इंसान का है जिनका नाम गौरव तिवारी था, जिनकी एक बड़ी खूबसूरत जर्नी रही है. वो बॉम्बे आए थे एक वक्त में एक्टर बनने के लिए, वहां एक्टर नहीं बन पाए तो फिर गए फ्लाइंग के लिए. Did extremely well in what he did as a pilot, had a paranormal incident, became very intrigued, and had a beautiful journey as a paranormal investigator for 8 to 10 years of his life. And unfortunately, we lost him in a mysterious way, and that's the story. So it's things like this that make you want to do a project like that. And yeah, it's just understanding a journey of a real person and taking that forward.
Really looking forward. And unfortunately, I think we lost him really young. Kalki, tell me, how was your experience working on this really, literally spine-chilling show, I would say?
Yeah, it was a terrifying experience. It was quite normal for lights to go out in the middle of set for no apparent reason. We just got used to lights flickering and weird shit happening on all the time. Yeah, there was definitely one spine-chilling day for me when I was shooting till like 3 in the morning, and I came back and all my building was shut. There was no lights anywhere, and I was going up the stairs, and I saw this like ghost-like person, and I was convinced it was a ghost. I like ran back to my house, and I called my friend, and I said, I can't sleep here tonight, and I went to my friend's house and slept at her house. So, I felt like we were really living some of that story while we were shooting it. So, yeah, quite a terrifying experience.
All right.
But we're all fine and safe now, and nobody got hurt, so.
Yeah, we're the real people.
We're not ghosts.
What I saw was absolutely fantastic. Really looking forward to the show. On that note, I would love to call upon the stage your co-actors, Danish Sood and Saloni Batra, writers, Arshad Syed, director Robbie Grewal, and producer Prableen Sandhu, along with Amog for a team picture, please. Danish bhai, how are you, brother? Good to see you.
Nice to meet you again.
Saab, ki haal hai gudiye? All the best. Love it. Can we please have a picture, the entire team of Bhai? Can you please come a little ahead on the mark, please? Yeah, this mark. Actually, this mark. Yeah, perfect. What a lovely trailer and what a lovely team. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Thank you. That's it, brother. Co-host करना है साथ में कर लो. He's like, that's it. मैं को co-host कर ले यार साथ में, और क्या? यार देखो, अभी मैं आपने रोकना था, मैं कैसे करता? ये तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा आपके लिए. But having said that, I have strict mandate यार. Really sorry about that. I have strict mandate. Yeah. हाँ जी ब्रो. Bye bye. Bye Kalki. आप सबसे Go for it. देखिए कारण, थैंक यू सो मच गाइस। आप सबसे क्षमा चाहता हूं, मुझे बोला गया है कि सोलो पिक्चर्स ना दी जाएं, इसलिए मेरा तो जॉब है। बट ऑन दैट नोट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, कुछ याद आया आपको सुनकर? देखो कहते हैं वक्त हर सवाल का जवाब होता है, लेकिन जब वक्त खुद सवाल करे तो उसका जवाब इतिहास के पन्नों में दर्ज हो जाता है। और ऐसी ही एक ऐतिहासिक कहानी, यस, टाइटन की, लेट्स टेक अ लुक। वाह यार, दिस इज जेन्युइनली एक्सट्रीमली स्पेशल। ये तो यार नॉस्टैल्जिक कर दिया इन्होंने यार। So ladies and gentlemen, इस शो की शूटिंग बहुत जल्द शुरू होने वाली है with the most talented actors Naseer Saab, Naseeruddin Shah and Jim Sarb. And now we would like to invite a central figure behind the meteoric rise of Titan. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. C.K. Venkatraman, the CEO of Titan India, Head of Corporate Brands Titan Shirish Chandrasekhar, along with the director Robbie Garewal. Hi sir, how are you? Lovely meeting you, sir. Beautiful story. Hello again. So Venkat sir, please share. Of course, it's very special to us, but what makes it extremely special for you?
Yeah, actually, when Sunil Bora came to me about a year plus back, I was quite zapped. Never thought something like this would happen. You know, I've been with Titan for 35 years and been through virtually all of it. And you take it for granted, whatever Titan is. Of course, it's a special company, but television serial was never, in our minds. But when he spoke about why, it made a lot of sense. And when we went back to the beginning of Titan, it was a daring dream way back in the early 80s. You'll get to see it when you see the series. And it was a daring dream to actually put India on the world map, create stuff in India which is as best as the rest of the world. And therefore, from a point of inspiration, it had tremendous potential. So I fell in love with the idea, and now we're here. Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. And Director Saab, how's the prep going for the show, and what are you looking forward to the most?
Pretty hectic. Yeah, we shoot in a couple of months. Honestly, it's a tremendous honor to be telling the story. Venkat sir said what he said. Titan is part of our growing up years, our culture, our Tatas are what we really synonymous with trust and all things good. And so it's an absolute pleasure and an honor to be sharing stage with sir and telling the story. And it's going good. We shoot, like I said, in a couple of months. Hectic, but challenging, but great.
Really looking forward, and all the very best. And ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call upon the stage. Please welcome the rest of the team. Ladies and gentlemen, first we have Jim Sarb's message, who plays the role of Zeres Desai, the first managing director of Titan who brought this revolution to India. He could not join us today, but Jimmy has sent us a very special message. Please take a look.
Hi. This is Jim Saab. I'm incredibly sorry I couldn't make the event. I'm halfway across the world, as you can see. I hope the event is going fantastically. I'm here to present our newest show, Made in India, The Titan Story. I hope you enjoyed the first look as much as we loved shooting it. I'm looking forward to completing the show later this year, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Here's to the spirit of entrepreneurship that is inherent in India, and I hope it's going to be a year of incredible stories. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the event. Bye.
Xerxes Desai, oh my God. कोई इंसान ऐसी लोकेशन पे हो वापस इंडिया आने का मन वाकई में ना करे, तो इसलिए जिम की गलती नहीं है. And now I would like to invite the cast and creators to join us. Shirish Chandrasekhar, head of corporate brands Titan, and actors Namita Dubey, Kaveri Seth, Lakshmi Saran, Vaibhav, Tatwavandi, producer Prableen Sandhu, and the writer Karan Vyas, along with Girish, Karan Amog, and Aruna, for a picture, please. Hello, Sangeeta. Okay, की हालत ठीक ठाक हो? Thank you so much, everyone, and all the very best for the shoot. It's truly amazing that Amazon MX Player is building such a unique story about Titan with such amazing talent. Love the team. Thank you so much, Sandhu Saab. All right. Can I now request one more time Aruna to please come on the stage? Aruna, I have bothered you enough throughout the day.
कभी कभी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते हम इतने बिजी हो जाते हैं कि भूल जाते हैं कि पीछे क्या छोड़कर आए हैं। लेकिन लाइफ भी ट्विस्ट ऐड करने से पीछे नहीं रहती। ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ मेरे साथ और मैं वापस लौटा मेरे गांव। मगर जब इस बार लौटा तो गांव तो वैसा ही था, लेकिन मुझ में कुछ बदल सा गया। नई सोच, नए आइडियाज, नए सपने, इनोवेशन करने की ताकत और एक पर्पस। ये मिट्टी जो हमारी लेगेसी है सिर्फ जमीन नहीं है, बल्कि हमारी नींव है, हमारी सच्चाई है और सपनों का बेस है। देश का असली दिल गांव में धड़कता है और मैंने अपने दिल की बात सुनी। यहीं से शुरू कर रहा हूं अपना अगला सफर, एक एग्री एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने का, जहां मेरी जड़ें हैं और अब इसी मिट्टी से मेरी ये कहानी लिखी जाएगी।
Wow, what a beautiful start. And now let me call on the stage the cast of this beautiful, heartfelt drama. My friend, my neighbor, a beautiful actor, Ishwak Singh, along with Shruti Sharma. How are you, brother? So good to see you. Actually, a pleasure meeting you. Please come. यार what a beautiful trailer and what a beautiful start. बहुत कमाल की एक डांस परफॉर्मेंस के साथ जरिए बताना कि what is the DNA of the show. It's beautiful to see that. But Ishwak, Raghav's character has a beautiful journey, I mean, and a beautiful story. What do you have to say about that?
आपने कुछ तो आपको झलक मिली गई है. I'm actually getting a little emotional because I saw these rushes and it just whips up all those memories, you know. I mean, you go and do something and you know, have all these ideas about seeing the show in a certain way in your head, but when you actually go and do something as authentic as this out there, और मेरे अंदर हमेशा से एक खालीपन सा रहा है because मैं शहर में पला बड़ा हूँ. When I speak to friends, you know, आपका भी connection है, you know, to your hometown. I really wish, you know, I
had that rural connect, which I don't. You know, I'm not in touch with my rural roots. So through this show, somewhere that happened. This show is about agricultural entrepreneurship, agri-entrepreneurship, or agripreneurship, as you call it. And you know, you hear about all these MBAs, people who've lived in the West, leaving their corporate jobs, high-paying salaries, and trying to go back to farming. So for me, when you know I was given this theme, I was amazed that what is it that gets someone to take that leap of faith? Such a big thing, you know. I mean, it was relatable because I mean, I left my home and came all the way to Bombay to pursue my dream. But to really, I mean, this is a seriously tough road to hoe. And hats off to all those people who take the plunge. So it's a very special show. It's very close to our heart. I mean, I would want to also say something. I mean, if there's anything, you know, you have, it's a, you know, and I'll tell you what, you know, the thing that really got me committed to the show was the team. And we've spoken about this.
Yes.
You know, what really gets you committed to do something is the people, and the producer, the director, the writer. They're some of the most wonderful people I've worked with. And we got together and we were just so thrilled about doing this.
क्या बात है, fantastic. I'm sure this is going to be a beautiful journey and we all will have a different perspective towards life after watching this. शायद हमारी हिंदुस्तान की authentic rooted stories जो होंगी उससे हम ज़्यादा प्रेरित होंगे. Ladies and gentlemen, the cast and the creators of Mitti, producers Akash Chawla and Arunav Sen Gupta, writer Nikhil Sachin and director Alok Dwivedi and Amog from our team. One more time, if I can bother you, Amog, please come on the stage for a picture. Hi, how are you? Hello, sir. Good to see you. Good to see you, brother. Mubarak. Congratulations. Let's have a quick picture with a beautiful team of Mitti. People say it takes a village to make a show. They had to literally go to one to make a show. I'm sure this is going to be really, really beautiful. Thank you so much, everyone. And give a huge round of applause for the entire team of Mitti. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm 100% sure कि आपको ये show देखने के बाद बहुत मजा आने वाला है. And you will have a different perspective towards life. Thank you so much. Thank you. Again. किस्मत के खेल के होस्ट को बुलाना चाहूंगा जो इस खेल में सिर्फ किस्मत को पलटते हुए नहीं देखेंगे बल्कि हमें दिखाएंगे भी हर ट्विस्ट, हर टर्न एंड हर गेम चेंजिंग मोमेंट. Ladies and gentlemen, the ultimate and the coolest game master, the one and only Ashish Grover. And joining him are the creative forces behind the show, Mr. Deepak Dhar, founder and group CEO, Bani J and Endemol Shine, Miss Mrinalini Jain, Group Chief Development Officer, Miss Priya Bhave, Executive Vice President and Head Content Unscripted, Miss Sabrina Duge, EVP APAC, All 3 Media International. एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ पूरी टीम का स्वागत कीजिए. Rise and Fall. Grover Saab, how are you? So good to see you. Hi. Lovely team. Okay. So, Ashwin bhai, you know, बहुत ही दिलचस्प प्रोमो सबको पसंद आया. जब मैंने पहली बार देखा था, I was like, dude, this is gonna really change the game. So हमें बताइए कि ये चीजें, you know, ये पढ़कर मतलब आपने शो कैसे ये पूरा एग्जीक्यूट किया और कैसे लगा कि ये होना चाहिए, इस समय मार्केट को ये चाहिए.
यार मैं जितना टीवी से भागता हूँ, टीवी उतना मेरी तरफ भागता रहता है. तो रियलिटी कैन कैप्टिव रियलिटी बहुत बड़ा सेगमेंट है एंड आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट शोज उसी सेगमेंट में चल रहा है. तो मेरे को लगा बड़ी चीज पकड़ते हैं सीधा, पहले छोटे हाथ क्यों मारने हैं. एंड कैप्टिव रियलिटी में भी अभी तक आपने जो कॉन्सेप्ट देखा है वो एक हॉरिजॉन्टल हाउस का देखा है कि एक घर में लोगों को बंद कर दो एंड उनको एक सिचुएशन में डालो जहाँ पे वो कुछ रिएक्ट करें. बट एक्चुअली इफ यू लुक इन द सोसाइटी कुछ हॉरिजॉन्टल नहीं है, इट्स वर्टिकल. द पीपल हु आर पावरफुल एंड देयर पीपल हु आर ट्राइंग टू मेक देयर वे अप देयर. सो हमने भी इसको ट्विस्ट करा है. हमने हॉरिजॉन्टल को वर्टिकल कर दिया है. So in this house you will see two houses. One is the powerful, the so-called management who are in the penthouse, and then there are the labor or people who are trying to make it up or in the basement. So it will add another element to the whole thing.
Lovely, lovely. Didi, in such a difficult market, how do you push the envelope to really bring out the best content, especially through a reality show like this?
Well, for us, first and foremost, pushing the envelope starts with bringing in the right format, and I must really thank our partner and format owner, Sabrina from All3 Media, for allowing us to get the format to really push the envelope. So it's a massive franchise internationally, and we itching to get this started. So obviously that's the first step. The second step was to really bring the man behind the format, Ashni, to really push the envelope. So we are very excited. Ashni, Priya, Mrinalini and I have been talking for more than a year. Let's come together on the right format. Captive reality is something that is the current currency. So we've all come together to put this format together. We're itching to start. So there's a lot more packed into this format, but I'm told I can't reveal too much. I can only reveal.
We are happy that you're not revealing. We are very happy you're not.
But you will watch a lot of this action, the rise and the fall and the rise of all the contestants, very soon on Amazon MX Player. I'm very thankful to the Amazon MX Player team for the opportunity, Amog and the rest of the team for getting us all together. Thank you so much.
Kya baat hai, Didi. And before we take a team picture, let me call the partner in crime, Amog, on the stage. Amog, can we please have you for a quick picture? Oh, here. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's the entire team for Rise and Fall. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. What a killer promo है यार, मजा आ गया देखकर. I'm sure you're going to kill it. Thank you so much to the entire team. Thank you. Thank you, Amog. I'm going to bother you throughout the evening. Really sorry. Okay. Thank you so much, Ashni. Thank you, everyone. Rise and Fall is planned for launch in September 2025 during the Diwali festive sale. जब अश्नीर जैसे गेम मास्टर और किस्मत का खेल हो तो आपका ब्रांड इस शो के साथ सिर्फ राइज ही होगा गाइस. मतलब दिवाली का फुल माहौल बनने वाला है. तो पार्टनरशिप्स की बात हो तो आपको ये बता दूं कि Amazon MX Player और TVF की जोड़ी बहुत सक्सेसफुल रही है. Now let me invite the force behind TVF, Vijay Koshi, president of the Viral Fever, on stage. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Hi buddy, how are you? Good to see you. Good to see you. I know. So Vijay, you have had a really long relationship, with the entire team and Amazon MX Player. Could you share some insights on the partnership?
So over the last few years,
So the incredible Aisaz Shahna and Gyanendra Tripathi. Gyanendra bro, what's up? So good to see you, man. Good to see you. Good to see you. Congratulations. यार एहसास आज आपका ऑडिट कर लेते हैं, मैं कह रहा हूँ, है ना? एक बात बताओ, ये हाफ और फुल सीए, ये हाफ सीए कैसे होता है?
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. फर्स्टली हाफ सीए पता क्या होता है, जैसे बचपन में हम खेलते थे ना, तो सारे बड़े बच्चे जब आपको लास्ट पिक करते थे, आपको लींबू टिम्बू बुलाते थे, कच्चा लींबू बनाते थे, वैसे ही हाफ सीए होते हैं.
क्या बात.
बेसिकली अगर आप हाफ सीए हो, आपका एक ही जर्नी है, इट्स अपवर्ड्स. इफ यू आर ऑन अ जर्नी टू अचीव समथिंग दैट यू लव, यू आर डिटरमिन्ड अबाउट, दैट्स अ हाफ सीए.
यार मेरी मम्मा ने बोला है कि एक सवाल जरूर पूछ के आना है कि इस बार ज्ञानेंद्र बनेगा सीए कि नहीं बनेगा. इस सीजन में बनोगे कि नहीं बनोगे सीए?
पहले तो आंटी जी को चरण स्पर्श. हेलो एवरीवन. और ये जो आपने सवाल पूछा है, ये 100% का सवाल है और मैं चाहता हूं कि आप अपनी अपार शक्तियों का इस्तेमाल करके इसका जवाब निकालें.
चलो.
So we'll wait for the show to come, and then I hope everybody is asking me, are you going to become a CA this season or not? I want you to keep waiting for some more time.
चलो, I'll keep my fingers crossed कि आप इस बार CA बन जाओ. On that note, बिना टैक्स लगाए, let's take a quick picture. But before that, I would want to call Amog one more time on the stage. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for the entire team. What a lovely promo. मजा आ गया देखकर. आइए. A TVF original series, Half CA, season 2, ladies and gentlemen. एक बार जोरदार तालियां सबके लिए. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mog. Thank you so much. It was lovely meeting you all. Thank you so much. और अब, thank you, buddy. Thank you so much. So sweet of you. और अब है बारी TVF के नेक्स्ट शो की. ये शो है उनकी कहानी जो आपकी जिंदगी के पहले से आपके साथ जुड़ जाती है. I'm talking about who is your gynac. And I must say this gynac is the most popular doctor in town. Let's see what season 2 of Who is Your Gynac has in store for us. Take a look.
इतनी अच्छी असिस्टेंट गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट की नौकरी हाथ लगी है.
For binge watchers, from gripping dramas to international hits, there is something for each one of you. Millions and millions of viewers across India enjoy our original shows, blockbuster movies, and global hits. And this is exactly why Amazon MX Player is a perfect destination for brands and advertisers to reach out to their vast base of users. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why we all are here tonight for Stream Next 2025. This event is a celebration of marketing, brand building, and great entertainment. So today, we have global marketing visionaries as well as leaders from Amazon who will share very thoughtful insights with us. Stream Next is a platform where streaming meets innovation quite literally. I think we all will agree कि इंडिया की ऑडियंस को क्या चाहिए. Free entertainment और साथ ही साथ में quality entertainment. And Amazon MX Player is the perfect place for this. And tonight, you will get a sneak peek at some of the most gripping dramas, mind-blowing thrillers, and fun reality shows that are bound to leave you adding it to your watch list for sure. So without further ado, let's hear from the man who makes all this magic happen. Please join me in welcoming Girish Prabhu, head of Amazon Ads India. Girish connects brands with audiences and has played a pivotal role in shaping the digital advertising landscape. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Girish. Oh.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Stream Next. When we thought about this event, there were a number of ideas like, why should we do this? How should we do this? And one of the reasons that we thought this would be interesting at this point of time is to talk about transformations, right? Now, back in the day, transformation was a phase, so you could always say that there's stability, there's growth, and there's transformation and something else. But over the last, I would say, 5 years, transformation has been continuous, right? So there is no phase anymore, but we are constantly in it. And the way to be part of it is to embrace it, is to think differently, and is to think big, right? So this was the idea that we thought that we should bring all of this together that is happening right now, right here, and talk about it. Now, and an example of this is many years ago, I took the Mumbai local train, and many of them scared me that, hey, you can't get in and get out, you really shouldn't be doing this. So I asked a gentleman on the platform saying, I need to get down here. What should I do? Should I stand next to the door? Should I do this, do that? And should I start moving? And the gentleman told me something interesting, that you don't need to do anything. Just get in, and as you hear your station come, you just move by a few inches towards the door. And as soon as you do that, the force will just take you and you'll be out of the station. Don't need to do anything. So I think this transformation is something like this, where I think, in our case, it's the brands, it's the viewers, it's the customers, it's the sellers, and so on. I think it's that few inches that you need to bend towards the force, and I think it'll take you. So with that, what are we talking about? We're talking about advertising. We're talking about entertainment. We're talking about building, growing brands. Now, advertising as a concept is very fundamental. And I think it is probably as old and goes back to when humans started communicating with each other. Ancient cave art. You've seen this a lot. We see it come up in every part of the world. The one you see on the screen here, right? I think this is probably the first version of ad creatives that we created by humans. And imagine this. You see this outside on a wall, outside a sports arena, where the game is about hit the target. You can take anything you want, stone, rock, knife, edge of a spear, throw it. You hit it, you win. Expectedly, not many of them win. It's just hard. These implements are difficult. It's hard to aim, but they keep trying. But as they come out, they see this picture. It's very smooth. You see the athlete or a person hitting with a new implement, a bow and arrow, as we know today. But the person is lunging. The person is super chill, not worried about the target. The target is right here, and the probability of hitting is very high. This is discovery. There's a need, there's an intent. I just lost, and I don't know how to get better. And I see this. I think there's something new, and I'm going to be so much better at this, and I'll win next time. If there was a stall or a cart next to it with a cash machine, they will sell a lot of this. So intent, discovery, and the path to purchase. This is what drives growth. This has not changed, by the way. I think this has been there forever. The need to get in front of someone that may be interested in at that point of time or later, and the ability to close the transaction and keep doing this. This has not changed at all. What has changed is technology. Technology has changed, and as we all know, technology transforms lives. It enables scale. It enables us to think bigger. And advertising technology in particular transforms growth. It's an engine for growth. So about 8 years ago, when we launched advertising in India on Amazon.in, our idea was very simple. Majority of the customers start their product search on Amazon. It's not the search engines, it's not calling friends, they start it on Amazon. Now, what if we brought the right
technology and media? He is renowned tech analyst and someone whose work makes us all stop and think about where the future is headed. Yes, I'm talking about Benedict Evans. एक बार जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए. Hi, Benedict. Over to you.
Thank you. So I always like being called a renowned analyst. It's what I tell my mother I do for a living. So I was asked to explain everything that's happening in television and e-commerce and advertising and technology, and only take 15 minutes and not talk too fast. I'll probably manage 2 of those things. You can judge me afterwards and tell Amazon what you think. But I think a good place to start in thinking about everything that's happening is this quote from the owner of Heinz a couple of years ago. He said, "I'm a terrified dinosaur," because he was in a world of easy choices where you understood how things work. You run a big brand, you have big volumes, you deal with scale and optimization and efficiency, and now everything is being disrupted, everything is changing. All of the ways that you might run that business look different. We live now in a world where all of the ways that retail and the channel and the way that you would go to market and the way you would reach a customer change, and all of the ways that media and advertising and marketing change. We have infinite product and we have infinite media and infinite retail. And that's a blank canvas for new brands and for new models and for new businesses, many of which can challenge the ways that we did business in the past and the ways that existing businesses used to function. E-commerce, which we've been talking about for 25 years, is now a quarter of retail spending in most markets. India is actually ahead of the global average, catching up with America, more than a quarter of...
Good evening, everyone. StreamNext is a celebration of great marketing, great advertising, and great entertainment. The next segment is dedicated to the biggest marketing stalwarts in India, those who have truly impacted the landscape of marketing and brand building. For the fireside chat, I would like to invite a very powerful trio. Our first guest is one of the most reputed columnists the country has ever seen, and he's a mentor to both large Indian conglomerates as well as startups. Our second guest is one of the biggest names in brand building and has created some of the most iconic ads in the country. He's also a recipient of the Padma Shri. And our third guest is actually a Tata man, a veteran man, I would say, who has been in very senior roles in the Tata Group for the last 36 years. He has created some of the most iconic brands in the country like Tanishq, Titan, Fastrack, and Tata Tea. Please welcome on stage Suhail Seth, Piyush Pandey, and Harish Bhatt.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being here. We are the fillers, as you can see, between Benedict Evans and Martin Sorrell. So we'll try and keep you entertained, enlightened, and stimulated for as long as we can. But after that, Martin will illuminate you further. So I want to start by, and by the way, I've been given the arduous task of moderating, which I've never done in my life, but I'll give it a shot. So I'm going to introduce Piyush Pandey, who's an advertising legend. Harish Bhatt. Harish Bhatt was one of the longest associates and colleagues and persons at the House of Tata, responsible for brand Tata. I've known both these gentlemen for 35 years. It's been a long time, and both have remained as impressive in what they've done and the manner in which they've done it. We are here for an Amazon event. It's only appropriate to therefore begin by asking both Piyush and Harish, in your lifespan, you've seen many cycles of consumer evolution. You've seen the print age, you've seen the television age dominating, you've seen the digital age. What do you think is going to be the future of brands qua consumers and brands in relation to media developments?
Yeah, I believe in only one simple thing. Whatever the medium is, if you can't touch the hearts of people, then forget about it. Whether it's about reaching one person or 1,000 people or 1.4 billion people. You can't touch the hearts of people, then go home. As simple as that.
Harish?
So Suhail, I'd like to endorse what Piyush said. Just two things. I think whichever era, whether it's the era of print or television or digital or AI, I think brands need to win their customers' trust and they need to win their customers' hearts. And this requires very trustworthy products, and it also requires beautiful storytelling which can find its way into your hearts. This is never going to change.
Okay, this is all very biblical. You know, the world will be nice, we'll all love each other and all of that stuff. But what we are seeing is a very high level of attention deficit. We are seeing consumers move from brand to brand. Brands are worried about loyalty, they're worried about trust, they're worried about the surge in media options, the way people garner information. Today there are more websites on telling you how to look after your health than there are doctors who work in the industry. So in that environment, how do you see things changing?
You know, Suhail, we just talked about loyalty. I have believed that products are made in factories and brands are made in hearts. So whether you go to communities, you go to states, we are a country of what, 20, how many states now? 28.
Well, 27, but if they had their way,
28
32.
states. You can't go to everyone completely personally. So you will have to find communities of people. We have done it for Asian Paints, we have done it for Pidilite. You find those places, get to those communities, because lots of people have a certain affinity for products when you're talking to a whole lot of them in their own language, in their own culture. So that's the extent that we go to, that we can go to if we want to be meaningful. I don't think that you can be personalized to a cricket team also. They sit as a group, you'll have to make sense to them collectively. That's what my thinking is.
Now, Harish, there is a challenge. I mean, forget London and New York. We have more people in this hall than perhaps live in the Netherlands. So we are challenged population-wise. How do you believe this whole personalization thing is going to work?
So Suhail, let me just respond with one story for you. Within the Tata Group, we have two beautiful brands of consumer products, Tata Tea and Tata Salt.
Say more, Taj, say more.
And many more, but I'm just taking these two as an illustration. And we have Taj, Tata Motors, Titan, Tanishq, etc. Now, Tata Tea has personalized, Suhail, by looking at every state and looking at the blend of tea that every state requires, looking at the advertising that every state requires, and looking at the packaging that every state requires. So you have, for instance, UP ki Damdar chai. But the moment you come to Odisha or you come to Bombay, it will be Bombay ki cutting chai, and the blend will also be different. So you say Desh ki chai, but apne pradesh ka swad, or apne pradesh ki shaan. That's
Okay, for those of you who don't understand Hindi, nation's tea, but state's choice.
Yeah. So that's how Tata Tea has done the personalization game, and very, very successfully. They have hyper-personalized in every cluster and every state, like Piyush said. But take Tata Salt. Tata Salt has taken a different view to personalization. Tata Salt, as you know, 40 years back brought iodized salt to India and was able to address an important social issue, health issue of goiter and iodine malnutrition. But what Tata Salt have now done is they have identified a segment which is also anemic, which suffers from iron deficiency, and they have taken the game of fortification forward by now adding iron as well to iodized salt, and 1 teaspoon gives you 25% of your day's requirements, and so forth. There can be many kinds of such fortification which come your way. So that's another way of personalization to different segments of the market. But then you have, Suhail, also, you have a large corporate brand like Tata, one idea of nation building. And their personalization is just about that one idea finding its way into everyone's hearts. So different routes to personalization, and all of them are winning routes.
So let's segue to the media environment. We're here for an Amazon event, and as most of you know, MX Player has the largest universe of free viewers, free in terms of no subscription. How are you going to change
for storytelling? Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Amok Desai, the head of content at Amazon MX Player. Good evening, Amok. The stage is all yours.
Thank you, Siraj. Thank you all.